Hey everybody, this is Chris and welcome back to another video. Thanks to everybody who has followed my channel so far and watched my videos. I really appreciate it. If you are new here, then check out some of the other videos on my channel all about British English pronunciation and accent topics in general. So in this video, I want to talk a little bit about a topic which I think is quite important. A lot of people have talked about it in the comments on my channel about faking an accent or faking an accent when you're speaking English, and whether it's bad to speak in a fake way. I just want to try to challenge some of the perceptions about this, because what would be considered a fake way of speaking, or in your language, or speaking in English? Because let's say if a Portuguese person speaks in a strong, let's say Portuguese or a local accent, is that real? And then if they speak like Benedict Cumberbatch, or they speak in an American accent, they sound like Donald Trump, would that be fake? Let's say if a Portuguese person goes to America and they start to speak in an American accent, have they sold out? Is that fake? Have they faked the way they speak? So I think it very much depends on your perspective and your situation. So it's not always difficult to say what is real and what is fake, because if you, let's say, move to another country, the way you speak might change. Accents can change. My accent has changed, even in English. If you look at videos that I made 3 years ago, 4 years ago, 5 years ago, 10 years ago, I speak in a slightly different way. So this is affected by things in my life. I can also speak Chinese, and my accent in Chinese has also changed as I have lived in different places, different parts of China. So I think the way that you speak is affected by the things that happen in your life, the places that you go to, the people you meet, or the TV shows that you watch, the people who you're a fan of, and all of these things can affect the way you speak. But it's best to try to change or to adapt in a natural way. I think if you try to copy somebody exactly and imitate them, then that could sound really fake. But if you are just learning from them and being inspired by other people, or just watching videos of people, and the way you speak changes over time, then I don't think that that's fake at all. So people have told me, for example, in India, if you spoke with a British accent, it could sound pretentious. People might laugh at you, it would sound ridiculous, or people would take the mick out of you. So that may be true. In which case, if you're in that situation, if you live in, let's say, India, and you've been speaking Indian English, or you've been speaking with a local accent, then there's no reason why you should try to speak any other way, in a way that doesn't feel natural or comfortable to you. So I think at the end of the day, you will always be you. Be yourself and speak in the way that you want. But try to be confident in yourself. Don't feel that because of your accent, you should be any less able to speak English, or you're any less good. It's just that you can shape your unique way of speaking. You can still learn about different accents, but you don't have to try to copy them exactly. I'm not trying to make people sound like me. I'm not trying to make people speak in exactly the same way of me. All I'm doing on my channel is I'm trying to teach people some things about the topic of English pronunciation, specifically the way some people speak in the south of the UK, and also help you to understand some things that you might not have known before about the way English works and the way English pronunciation works. And I really hope that what I teach on my channel and the videos that I put out will be helpful for people, not just to copy the way I speak, I'm not saying that, but to shape your unique way of speaking and to learn something new. So I really hope that my videos will be helpful to you on your English learning and your English speaking journey. Thanks for watching, and check out my other videos if you haven't already. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button if you agree with me, or if you don't, or if you have something to say, please let me know in the comments. That's all for this video. Thanks for checking that out, and see you again very soon. Take care, everybody.